Hello everyone, welcome to Bitcoin World Crypto channel. Today we will discuss new project Financio. Financio is a decentralized exchange that is running on Binance Smart Chain with lot of features that will let you earn high passive crypto reward. First is farming, second is staking, lotteries, collectible and exchange. You can use any of these, and this is the Financio token is already listed on PancakeSwap exchange and CoinMarketCap. You can buy through PancakeSwap exchange. Its token is FIN. FIN is its token ticker. And this is the detail of tech audit. Check Financio security audit completed by tech audited blockchain solution. When you click on this button, you can check out all detail about tech audit. And these are the products of Financio. First is a crypto exchange. Binance Smart Chain based exchange is an audited market maker AMM that enables you to exchange two tokens immediately. Second is yield farming and staking. Deposit and stake LP token to pools and earn passive income. Simple way to earn even 30x reward with the main FN and BNB pair pool. And the third is lottery and more. Buy lottery tickets with the FIN token and win big crypto jackpot. When your number match with the winning ticket, more product coming soon, they will launch. And these are the features of Financio. First is farming and staking, high APY and fast pools. Once you have got LP tokens, you can stake them in crypto pools. Staker will earn FIN token as a reward passively with the harvest possibility in the time. And this is the interface of FIN exchange. You can see here FIN BUSD pair, LP and FIN BNB pair. And this is the interface of Financio crypto exchange, cheap, easy to use, automated market maker AMM, exchange that enables two tokens to be exchanged on the Binance Smart Chain, cheap, fast and secure. No order book, no waiting, just choose two tokens you want to swap and click on button to finish transaction. And this is the detail of a roadmap Financio. They started their journey August 2021, project founding, setting a team and employing developers. White paper volume release 1, roadmap volume release September 2021 completed. First product development start, Financio token FIN creation to Binance Smart Chain, ICO sale and promotion start. And the second is also completed October 2021, ICO sale finished, token distribution, PancakeSwap exchange listing. And November 2021 is already completed, CoinMarketCap listing, CoinGecko listing, crypto exchange platform launch, staking and farming platform launch. And now this is going on December 2021, marketing and first partnership, Hotbit exchange listing, crypto lottery launch, initial farm offering, IFO, 10 CMC exchange listing. January 2021 coming up, future product development, roadmap volume 2 release. And these are the social links to follow. First is Twitter, second is Telegram group and Telegram channel. So this is the end of the video. I hope you will like it. Thanks for watching.